2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.